Hello dear, how are you? I'm glad to welcome you on Global Food Book YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I hope you will continue to support this channel as we put in our best to share invaluable contents with you. So in this video, I would like to share my Thanksgiving turkey recipe with you. Of course, you have something you are thankful to God for. I have what I am thankful for. We all have what we are thankful for. So in our Thanksgiving mood, let's enjoy this turkey recipe. Sit back, relax, and watch, okay? So I'm starting off by thawing and washing the turkey thoroughly. Sometimes I brine the turkey in a salty water overnight. However, this time around, I decided not to brine it. The good news is that the turkey still came out so well. Once I was done with the washing, I went ahead to pat it dry with kitchen paper rolls. For this recipe, I have a fresh turkey meat, 225 grams of unsalted butter, some fresh rosemary leaves, fresh thymes, mixed suya spices, Knorr seasoning powder, some turkey gravy, salt to taste, 3 bell peppers, 1 onion, some potatoes for stuffing the turkey. And that's just right about it. Here I added some of the turkey gravy in the bowl of butter. This was followed by the addition of the suya spice. Note that the suya spice is optional though. Next, I added 2 TSP of Knorr seasoning powder. Then salt. Chopped rosemary leaves and thymes. And then I mixed up the entire ingredients together. And here is the look of the turkey rub ready for marinating the turkey. The next thing I did was to peel and cut the potatoes as well as the bell peppers and onion. Then I added salt, Knorr cube, a little bit of vegetable oil, and I toss them all together until all the ingredients have mixed up well. And now back to the turkey. I started patting it dry again with a kitchen roll just to get rid of the water. I then used my fingers to separate the turkey skin from the meaty part. more like forming a pocket in the turkey. I then rub the ingredients mixture thoroughly inside the pocket I've created in the turkey. Afterwards all over the turkey skin. Just be generous with rubbing the mixture in and out of the turkey. Okay? Afterwards, stuff up the turkey with the diced veggies. And finally, our turkey is ready to go in the oven. In my oven pan, I started off by layering the rest of the diced veggies on the bottom of the pan. And then I placed the turkey in the pan, even though the pan seems a bit smaller for the size of the turkey. I intentionally did it this way just to allow all the ingredients' tantalizing smells, name them all, lock up within the turkey. I also tucked in the wings so they don't easily get burnt. Now the turkey is ready to be popped into the oven. I used the roast feature of my oven set at 160 degrees for the roasting. The turkey roasted approximately 4 hours just to be sure that it was thoroughly cooked in and out. At this point, the turkey is properly cooked and ready to be feasted upon, and off I turned my oven. So let's see what we have in here. Here we go, our flavorful, aromatic, crispy, golden looking and delicious turkey is ready to be feasted upon. Just go ahead, serve and enjoy it as much as you like. I hope you enjoyed watching me roast my turkey as much as I enjoyed having you watch me do it. If so, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you so much as you do so. Bye for now and best wishes.